Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box. Now this box contains the Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as you guys know, I feel like the past couple months, Ipsy just hasn't really been that thrilling when it comes to their PR box. They're really focused on a lot of skincare than they are makeup, but I'm very hopeful every single month that they'll start to roll out with some more makeup products, but only time will tell. I also get thrown in, like if you guys can tell right here, my box is just kind of like thrown in, so I can't really ever tell you what's in the Ipsy Glam Bag versus what's in the Ipsy Glam Bag box, Glam Bag Plus, because the fact that this is sent to me in PR, I have no way of finding that out for you guys. I do apologize, but I try to do the best I can to try to like tell you guys what I think. So we're gonna go ahead and dive straight into the Ipsy Glam Bag right here. This says Power Moves, and their little bags are always so little cute. I actually really do enjoy those little mini bags because it allows me to put like little samples in here, and whenever I do my No Waste Wednesday, I get to ship it off to you guys, and I think it's always so excited. So in here, first thing I see is the Dewy Highlight. This is a glossy cheek glow from Ciate, London. I don't know why, but I thoroughly enjoy my Ipsy Glam Bag. I love the fact they put like little makeup in here. And it really, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Sephora Play, and I loved my Sephora Play box. Even though there were sample sizes, I freaking loved them. I miss them so much. I wish they'd come back out with it. So here is the Dewy Highlight. This is a glossy cheek glow. I probably won't keep this for myself because I don't really do well with like liquid highlighters. I just find them to be very messy, and I'm very oily, and it just turns into a hot mess. So that's actually really cool they put that in there, but that's actually really cool they put that in there. Next, they threw in, ooh, what is this? This is a tweezer set. Nice. You can never go wrong with tweezers. I love having a lot of tweezers. That is actually really awesome. There's also something from Pure Brazilian. This is the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. This is leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy looking hair. Oh, smells kind of nice too. Oh, that's actually really cool. Okay, sweet. I've actually never heard of this product before. Next, there is a Kinship. This is the vegan lip jelly mask. We just got this, I want to say either an Ipsy or BoxyCharm last month, but that's actually really cool. And then we also have a little tiny First Aid hydrating eye cream. I just got done unboxing all three of my BoxyCharm boxes, and legit, that's like all they had in there was freaking eye cream. So it's actually really funny. This thing is super tiny. This really throws back my freaking Sephora Play. God, I do miss those days. So that is what we got in this box. I will assume that this right here, this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, is a part of it as well because it is a tiny little sample. This used to be my favorite mascara for a very long time until I got introduced to Thrive Mascara, and then that became my favorite. But this is a really good mascara. I don't have this one anymore. I really need to go buy another one for myself because it truly is such a phenomenal mascara. So I think these are all like what's supposed to be in it because again, this is a sample size, and I don't think they would put this in the $25 bag, but I could be wrong. You never know. But that is what we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Again, I think they do such a great job when it comes to their Ipsy Glam Bag. I think these are like $13 a month. To me, they're definitely worth it. I think I'm going to switch my $25 bag that I personally paid for just for this bag, but still keep Ipsy X because I really do enjoy Ipsy X. So I think I'm going to downgrade my box, but still get this because I do enjoy the little sample stuff. They're cute. All right, now moving on to what I think is my $25 bag. We have something like, it looks like a palette. This is from Defiance, or let's call it Defiance, from Carmela Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Cute packaging though. Oh, this is actually a really cute palette. So this is how the palette looks right here. Super cute, very neutral, everyday wearing palette. It kind of gives me like a throwback to like the e.l.f. back in the day, like those palettes. But this is super cute. Do you guys remember when e.l.f. was only $1? Oh, I miss those days. But that's actually a really cute palette. I really do like the packaging on that. So this is called Defiance by Carmela Cosmetics. Nice. Next, we got something from Soul Clean. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. So this is refreshing water-based facial cleanser, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. Probiotic gentle clean the skin and locks in moisture, improves skin smoothness. Okay, cool. Next, we got something from, oh my God, how many times are they going to put this brush in here? That's like the 4th time I've gotten this within like the last 2 months. I swear to God. So this is a 4-in-1 makeup brush. They always put this in here for some reason. I don't know why. It's literally in a lot of their Ipsy boxes. I don't get why they keep putting these products in here unless they just have an overstock and they throw it in the boxes and they say, there you go. I don't need this again. I have like so many of them. So we'll go ahead and definitely put those into a No Waste Wednesday. We also got a Saturday Skin. This is a Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Mask. I'm actually not a fan of peel mask anymore. They kind of hurt. But this is start over gently, rubbing dullness away, packed with papaya and bromelain to help remove impurities. So here we have this right here. And then we have our little Santa sack, our little ho-ho bitches moment. Love that. And then they also threw in randomly a set of pins and Post-its. Now, I love Post-its, but the only problem with this is that since it's checkered, that's going to be annoying. If I do anything other than a black pen, maybe blue, it's not going to be the easiest to see. But that's actually cool to throw that in there. So I will definitely say that my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus sucked ass because there's just nothing good in here. I've never heard of these brands. I've heard of Saturday Skin. I've only heard of this because I've seen this tool so many times in here. Never heard of this facial cleanser never heard of that facial cleanser. And then Defiance, this is the only maybe nice moment, but again, it's a brand that I've never heard of, so it is just definitely not a good box to me personally. But then I really do love the Glam Bag. So I think honestly, looking at this, I think based upon the last few months boxes I've been getting, I think don't waste your money in the $25 box. I think you're just better off going for the $13 Glam Bag because they actually do put makeup products in there. And they typically are from brands you've heard of that you can go buy at Ulta, Sephora, at like any drugstore, like any Target, Walmart. You can go buy these stuff there. So I think like the $25 bag definitely has gone downhill for some time now. And it's actually really sad because I really enjoyed it. Now, my paid for one, I get to have a little bit of a better option because I do get to kind of customize it myself. I get to pick 3 out of the 5 items, but a lot of times it's makeup brands that I've never ever heard of. And they had promised us that they were going to be brands that we've heard of. And again, they are not keeping up with their end of the deal, unfortunately. So this box is definitely a letdown. I just think that the $13 bag is way worth it more than the $25 bag. I just think that this one's kind of just... I'm just over it, if that's the best way to put it. I'm ready to cancel my own subscription, but the only reason why I haven't is just because I do enjoy the Ipsy X. So I'm just going to downgrade myself to the $13 bag so I can still enjoy Ipsy X. But yeah, I don't think the $25 bag is just worth it anymore because it's just nothing but brands we've never ever heard of. And all these items end up in my No Waste Wednesday. I never keep it, so I'm really just constantly spending money on products I'm never going to use. And that's just kind of sad. Ipsy did a really good job when they came back. Ipsy did a really good job when they came back after their whole Ipsy Ultimate, and that didn't really work well. They did a really good kind of job bouncing back and like doing their Glam Bag Pluses. I enjoyed them for so long, and now they're just definitely gone downhill with that. So, and that's just sad to me because I really do enjoy Ipsy, and I have for a long time. So it's kind of sad to see them not deliver the same quality that they used to. And it's not just them. Same thing with BoxyCharm, with FabFitFun. These makeup subscription boxes just aren't doing as well as they used to. So it'd be kind of nice to find a brand, once again, that I really do love. I used to love Sephora Play. Chic Beauty Box, if you guys don't know, Chic Beauty Box is a really great box. It's a bi-monthly box, and they do put only makeup items in there. If they do have skincare that you've definitely heard of, that you can go buy on the shelves at Sephora and Ulta. So yeah, I'm rather disappointed with this box. Sucks. But maybe next month. I have hope. Maybe next month will be better. I don't know. I hope it will be, but only time will tell. Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel like my Ipsy boxes have definitely, like the videos have definitely gotten shorter and shorter because there's only so much I could do, especially when they're only like skincare. Especially when they're like really heavy focus on the skincare, there's only so much I can say about it and do about it. So I do apologize for these videos just getting shorter. I'm sorry. Here's hoping they get better. But I've seen you guys in my comment section tell me that you guys have all canceled your own subscription with them, and I don't blame you. So guys, that is it for today's video. I'm sorry. I feel like this is so short and negative, but I'm just, I'm trying to be as positive about it. Let's hope next month is better. We shall see. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.